Hey guys, it's Krysta. So I am currently in Nashville, Tennessee, staying in a tiny house, and I asked you guys on Instagram what video I should film, and tiny house hashtag selfie photographer challenge won barely. So I will be filming the other video as well, just not here in Nashville. I thought this would be a fun idea. This house is like super cute and very whimsical. So I have on this yellow dress and these earrings because I thought it would match well. So we're gonna try to get some really cute photos while we're here, and let's see what I can do. Okay guys, we have moved to the log camera because I wanted to be able to show you my setup. So for the first photo, we are gonna be taking a photo on this ladder. Oh, focus on this ladder over here. And I have, that's my, yeah. Hey, I'll cut you out. Hey. You want me in the video? I stay in the video. Okay. Love me. So I have my camera set up over here on the tripod, and I need to hook up my wireless remote to this. But you can see what I have in frame right here, and that is going to be the first photo. And I'm, gonna go over there, try to look cute. Okay, so now I'm gonna move on to the next spot that I wanna take some photos, which is in this kitchen. It is super cute. I love the blue cabinets. I'm thinking the word. I love the blue cabinets, and they also have this really cute like bathroom door with this design on it. So I'm gonna get some photos in front of there as well. And so my camera setup is just like this. I've lowered it because I wanna get some photos from a lower angle with like my dress billowing out in the back. And here, let me show you. So this is what I have in frame. Ooh, this is what I have in frame right now. So I'm gonna take some photos from over here, and you can see what my settings are at the bottom. These are like basically the settings I was using for my video camera, or when I was taking video. I'm actually gonna turn this up to like 2.5, so it's a little faster. And then I just have ISO ISO set to auto, so I don't have to worry about that. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get some of these photos over here. Hi. Alright guys, so for the next spot, I'm going to go up on this ledge. Ooh, that's right, I'm gonna go up there and get some photos. The first photo I'm gonna take is from down here. So I have my camera set up like this. And so I'm gonna be right up there at the very top, and I wanna like let my dress hang down, and then you'll have this window in the frame. Hopefully you won't get all the bed and junk in the frame as well. But yeah, so first we're gonna go up there and get a photo, and then I'm going to set the camera up on this loft up here so I can get one from like straight across. Say hi.
Hello.
Yep. Okay, so before I head over to set my camera up on the other side to get some pictures up there as well, I want to get some portraits like near this window. This has really good lighting, and I really just like the mist, not the mist, but like the fog and stuff that's on the window. And then it has like the little curtain, so we're gonna play in that and see what we can get. So pro tip, always bring extra batteries because my little wireless remote thingy just died and I don't have extra batteries. So we're going to have to do this the other way, which is using an interval timer. This is what I do when I don't have a remote with me. So when you're using an interval timer, the first thing you need to do is make sure you have your shot set up properly, because you can't have the screen on while you have the interval timer going. Ooh, light. And so I'm gonna make sure I have this shot set up and I know where I wanna be. And then I'm going to set the interval timer to take probably like 5 photos and then readjust and then take 5 more photos. It's gonna be really annoying, guys, but it is what it is. I'm salty because I forgot batteries, but you know. So I just have my camera over there and I'm just seeing where I am in the frame. There we go. So I'm just seeing where I am at in the frame and where I'm gonna need to set the focus for the camera and like where I want to be, which I think I'm going to, I don't know. I think I'm gonna be like down here. All right, you guys, that is it. I think these photos turned out really well. If you are doing selfie photography, always make sure to bring extra batteries or bring a boyfriend who can help you get the rest of your photos. Either one will work, but I'm glad he was here because we were able to get the rest of the photos because I pretty much want to have been able to get them.
Just because you have a photographer doesn't mean you can't pretend that it's a selfie.
Especially if that photographer is your boyfriend. That's so sweet. But yeah, so I really loved how all these photos turned out, and this place is super cute. I'll leave the link down below. If you guys want to stay here, we highly suggest it. We love to hear. But yeah, this was super fun. So hopefully next time I'll remember extra batteries and I'll be able to get all of the selfies and I won't have to con my boyfriend into helping me get photos. But if you if you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram at Krysta_LK, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!